Hi ARK fans, welcome to ARK Invest Daily, your daily dose of ARK information. Today is April 22nd and guess what? ARK has not uploaded today's data yet, so we have no option but to do Spotlight series today instead of 5 minutes or less going over trades. In Spotlight today, we will be featuring Bitcoin positions. So they are invested in Coinbase recently, which IPO'd, which is a platform where you can buy, sell, trade Bitcoin basically. And Grayscale Bitcoin Fund, where they are invested because they are not legally allowed to invest in Bitcoin. So they invest in Grayscale Fund. So I'll see you on the other side. Please like and subscribe, and let's put the spotlight on Bitcoin positions of ARK. Welcome back, guys. And many of you are familiar with these charts that we go over from time to time in Spotlight series. We take a look at shares trend, stock price trend, and market value trend. Then we slice it by various ETFs and we put the spotlight on one particular company. And then we also highlight that company in terms of ranking. Has it been rising in the fund? Has it been declining in the fund? So for example, this is one ticker symbol. Let's see. It has been constant, starting with 140 rank and still at 140, but we'll put the spotlight on a particular company today. Let's start with Coinbase, and then we'll go into Grayscale, and we'll also increase the date range to go back further when we select Grayscale fund, because that they have been invested in since ever. But for Coinbase, which recently IPO'd, that date range would work. So Coinbase, let's see, that's their Coinbase investment right now. They have about 1.9 million shares overall, and they have been very aggressively buying recently. And the reason could be that the stock price has been going down. It IPO'd. So let me quickly change the date range to beginning of April just to make sure we don't have any other data points for this company. Yes, so this company IPO'd on April 14th. Here it says April 15th as a date in this point because they upload data one day late. When the day changes on the East Coast, that is 9 p.m. PST. So that's why the date is 15. That means it's 14th data. So it IPO'd on 14th, and this was the price at which they first got the first position, 0.7 million shares. Went down, they bought more, went up, still bought more, and they keep on buying more and more and more since they last bought some. So stock price is down to $311.90, and their position is up by a lot. So they started with 0.7 and now they are at 1.9, which is more than 200%, right? Sorry, more than 100% increase. So 100% increase would be 1.4, and it is 1.9. So it is a lot more than that. So in matter of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days, they have increased their position by a lot. Now, this is market value, which is a function of these two combined. Obviously, they're buying aggressively, hence the money, hence their investment is going up as well. 0.6 billion in Coinbase. Now, let's try to break it by ETFs. Let's see if it is present in more than one ETF. Yes, it is. So it is present in ARK. That's where their most aggressive buying is happening. Then it is present in ARKW, next generation web, that is. And then it's also present in FinTech. So look, in FinTech, they have reduced some position, very little looks like in past, but in all of them they have increased. Stock price is same irrespective of what ETF it is, and then the market value trend going up for all of them. Let's quickly take a look at, so if we go back to the totals quickly and see its rankings, so click this. So they started the position at rank 58 already, which is pretty rare too. That means they have super high confidence in this. So this chart, let me explain a little bit about this chart. So this is all the 270 companies they are invested in, and then how it has been, how the rankings of those companies have been going up or down. So for example, let's see this guy. So this has plummeted down like anything. Atlassian Corp. So it started at 121 rank on April 1st and then went down, and they completely removed this company. Anyways, so let's go back to the subject, which is Coinbase. They started the position at that time, the rank was 58, very high confidence already, and going up to rank 23. So it is in top 25 companies that they are invested in, Coinbase already, present in 3 ETFs there. So that's how this chart below works. So that's Coinbase. Now let's also take a look quickly at Grayscale Bitcoin Trust. Whoops. So looks like they have been reducing the shares there, but not by a lot, even though this chart is showing very sharp decline, but that's because it's very relative, right? relative to where it started. It started at 7.9 million to 7.7 million. So they reduced about 200,000 shares here. Like they're trimming it 0.1%, 0.6%, 0.2%, 0.4, 0.4, 0.6. So never even reduced one whole percentage, just trimming it here and there, and probably investing in other companies. The stock price has been kind of a roller coaster, looks like. But hang on, let's increase the date range. Let's see, since the time I have been recording, what has the position been. So there you go. So I've been recording since January, end of January pretty much. So 27th January, and they were very aggressively buying. And before that also, they were invested in this long ago, before I started tracking it. And they have been very, very bullish on it, continuously buying more and more. And as the price has been going up as well. So as the price went down, that's when they kind of started losing confidence in it too, looks like. And this is the decline that we were seeing in focus just now, when we did not have the full date range selected. So started the year pretty much, not started the year, but started February, let's say, with 7.2 million shares of Grayscale Bitcoin, and today or yesterday it's 7.7 million. So still up year to date, I would say. And the stock price has been kind of a roller coaster. But hopefully it recovers. So let's see the ranking as well. Let's click on that. All right. So in the beginning of the year, the ranking of this Grayscale Bitcoin in 270 companies they are invested in started with 56, kept on going up, and reached the highest it has reached is 30, rank 30 looks like. So at one point it was in top 30 countries there, 30 companies they're invested in, and now it has gone back down to 42, still up compared to January 27th, but not at its highest point. So highest was 30 rank, and it's gone down to 42. So that's Grayscale Bitcoin Trust. But let's quickly also try to see the see which all ETFs it's present, and it's present in only one ETF, which is ARK W, looks like. So that's the only position they have for Grayscale Bitcoin. Click that. Yep. Same ranking. So that's their investment in Bitcoin. One is a Bitcoin platform, trading platform, which is Coinbase, and one is Grayscale Bitcoin Trust Fund, which is something that they invested in because they are not legally allowed to invest in Bitcoin. And yeah, so those are the two positions. So that was your daily dose, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and please like and subscribe. I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks.